Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome forgotten password on Google Play Store account on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys forget about your Google Play Store account password, don't need to be worried because you can overcome it by immediately change your old password to a new password easily. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to Google Play Store and then click on the account menu, and then now you can go to manage your account, and then now you can go to security. And here now you can scroll down and go to the password. So now you can immediately change your old password to new password easily. And after that you can click change and this password change successfully. Alright guys, it is your right. So yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.